I got in it. I don't got any swim clothes on. I just got on my panties. You gotta improvise, you know? This water is clean. The fish in here are super friendly. I'm planning on getting in the water today. But this is on Isakia Trail. So it's cool. Of course, this leads down to the San Antonio River. Or this is part of the San Antonio River, but the washout side. Just me and a butterfly. It's like 1 in the afternoon at Mission Espada, one of the more awesome places on earth. I'll be trying to chemtrail the day away though.